Filling in the blanks, navigating Australian English. G'day, language learners. Today, we're venturing down under as we explore the interesting world of Australian English fillers. Just like other English varieties, Australian English is peppered with its own unique fillers that give its speakers a distinctive flavor. By the end of this video, you'll be able to recognize, understand, and perhaps even use these fillers effectively. Before we get started, let's brush up on our understanding of what fillers are. In language, fillers are sounds or words that are spoken in conversation by one participant to signal to others that they are pausing to think but are not yet finished speaking. Common examples in general English include like, and you know. Moving on to the heart of our discussion, let's discover some common fillers you'll likely hear in Australian English. Mate is a classic Aussie filler, often used at the end of sentences. It's similar to how American English speakers use man, or British English speakers use mate. It's a friendly term, reinforcing camaraderie and mateship. Another popular filler is no worries. It's an Australian way to say, it's okay, or don't worry about it. Lastly, you might often hear fair dinkum, which is used to express surprise or to confirm the genuineness of something. Remember, using fillers is a part of the natural ebb and flow of conversation. They can make your speech sound more natural and less rehearsed, helping you connect more effectively with Australian English speakers. However, as with any aspect of language, it's important to use fillers judiciously. Overusing them can potentially make your speech sound less clear or less confident. And there you have it, mates. We hope you found this journey into Australian English fillers both educational and entertaining. Remember, language learning is a lifelong adventure, so don't be afraid to dive in and try out these new words and phrases. Keep practicing, and before long, you'll be using these fillers just like a true blue Aussie. No worries, and until next time.